Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Eunice. They sent over this beautiful brown highlight, or would you consider this balayage? I don't know what you call it. I think it's balayage with a beautiful dark root. I'm feeling it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous on me. So of course I filmed a 10-minute install to show you how to get this look. We even went in with a little bit of faux baby hair, where this is not real baby hair. It's literally long pieces of hair, and I just like swooped it like baby hair and then pushed it behind. So if you want to try out baby hair but you're afraid of the commitment, you don't know what you're doing, I'm going to show you a way to be able to do without the commitment, so you can kind of practice, or you can just do it for a specific style and then not cut your hair. I just came back from an event at YouTube. It was an all-day event plus an after hours mix and mingle. Met some beautiful creators there, and we pinky promised each other that we are going to be doing Vlogmas separately on our own platforms. So I'm excited. I'm superstitious. I pinky promise, so I gotta commit. So this week I'm gonna start some planning for the things that we're gonna be doing, because of course I gotta start Vlogmas in November to make it happen. So stay tuned for that. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do that. It will help me out so much. We are on the road to 300,000 subscribers. I think we can do it. Anyways, back to the script. I'm gonna head out, but if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, another day, another slay. But first, let me change the battery because it looks like you're about to die. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Today we're going to be working with Eunice. They sent me over, it looks like curly balayage. Is this balayage or ombre or just highlight? I think this is called balayage, right? It's really pretty. Remove this loud piece of tape, not tape, packaging. And this is the wig that we're going to be installing today. I'm kind of actually excited for some lace. I've been doing a lot of V-part wig situations, giving my hair a break from, or my hairline a break from the lace, because I have such a heavy tan from lace that I'm trying to, like, you know. Anyways, so this one here is right on time. It's a pre-everything wig. The lace is pre-cut with that nice scalloped cut. The hairline is pre-plucked, and then the knots are pre-bleached. Here's a look at the closure and the inside construction of the cap. You get your removable adjustable elastic band, and then also this is what the nape looks like. So I'm going to adjust the nape, and then I'm going to adjust that elastic band, put a wig cap on, and we can get started. Okay, love bugs, this is what the wig looks like on. And according to the packaging, this is a 7x5 Bye Bye Knots lace wig in the length 24 inches. Before I throw that out, you guys can see she fits 100% glueless. We're gonna go ahead and melt that lace, and I'll be able to put her on each and every single day and not have to do anything. Love the parting on this one. You've seen the side parting as well as what it looks like from the back. You also saw a close-up of the hairline. So I'm gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna do the hairline and the parting first. It's already super smooth and sleek, but I always feel like I can eat down a little bit more with the Dynamic Duo. So I'm gonna do that. I think we're gonna go with the faux baby hair today, and if we don't do that, we will adjust. I will let you know what we decide. Wax from bedeckbeauty.com, and hot comb also discontinued from bedeckbeauty.com, but I will leave in a comparable one down below. So let's get to it. Go ahead and put on the melt belt. Okay, so we took care of the lace as well as the parting as well as the hairline. Did some faux baby hair. If we like it, we'll just cut the length because it's literally just swooped like baby hair, but I didn't cut it. So you don't have to commit. You can keep it like that and kind of just tuck it back, or you know, you can cut it. It's up to you. We also did a glueless install, so we used some bedhead hairspray, and I'm also gonna let that melt down into the hairline, and once it's all set, I'll take this off and tint the lace, and it still will remain glueless, meaning at the end of the night I can literally just snatch it off. So while that does its thing, let's go ahead and use some mousse. This one is from ORS, the olive oil, you know, the OG. Got it from Target, have it linked in the description box. And we're gonna see how we can do a one product style to the ends, and maybe use a dimming brush or a wet brush to go ahead and clump the curls and just see what we come up with. We'll see. Okay, so we are almost done and I'm in love. I did do the baby hair on the sides. I kind of don't like it. I think I prefer without, but since it's faux baby hair and I didn't trim it short, I'll leave it for today. But luckily I didn't commit, and maybe I just want to thin it out, switch it up, or maybe I just don't want baby hair at all. The great thing about the faux baby hair is we didn't commit. So while we're here, we're tinting the lace. I went in with the Maybelline foundation powder, and now we are going in with Ruby Kisses. And also you can make it look faux plucked by kind of stippling that product into the baby hair. It's all an illusion, and obviously the best thing to do is the real deal. But again, when you're just trying to work with what you got, you do this and it kind of makes it look like it's thin out, and that way you can go back later and actually thin it out. But you do this and you put the melt belt back on. The real deal, for real. Okay, so now that we are done with the look, you can definitely go in with the diffuser, but I feel like I'm feeling like the wet look because it's still like nice and big and full. Here's what it looks like from the back. Super cute. I can kind of see through the mirror. It looks like I didn't brush it out that good, like in the center. So I'll definitely do that. That's the great thing about having like double mirrors or even like a second set of eyes. You can see maybe what you missed, but I love it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the brown balayage on me. Like, look at how beautiful the texture is. The dark root makes it safe for those of us who may be afraid of the color going to the root, and it is what makes it like a balayage, if you will. Let me know. Oh, so before we go, here is the packaging from Eunice. They have this beautiful magenta packaging. Inside we have a couple of goodies. So in the bag, like the clear bag that I showed you guys, these were in there with the wig, and it's just like a book or a strip of the ear tape or wig tape, whatever you want to call it. Then they also gave us a melt belt. I have 1,000,001 of these, but it was quick and easy for me to just use the one that was in my package. And then of course they gave us some French tip pink nails, and they are from Eunice. Oh, and they also gave us the wig cap that we use, and that was a Eunice brand wig cap as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Of course, I have a direct link to this wig down below with all of the details. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.